7 unbelievable moments when impala encounter other species, lions, wild dogs, and many more. See what happens. They are the fastest animals in the savannas and grasslands of Africa. A few antelopes can accelerate to a speed of about 100 kilometers per hour or maintain a speed of 48 kilometers per hour for many hours. Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll take you to admire the moments of impalas in Africa's wild land. When this impala was pursued by the wild dog, it was really smart to go into the water. But it still can't escape the fate of being grasped by the wild dog, and they try to drag the impala onto the land. The impala often can't resist when being attacked from behind. The impalas frequently graze grasses and drink water alongside zebras. They recognize the predators by noticing the abnormal signs on the zebras. This is a peaceful picture of the herd of impalas and zebras safely grazing grasses on the savanna without the presence of predators. The male antelopes often have long, spiral horns, which make them efficient in self-defense in front of other predators. In the video, this antelope is using its horns to struggle with a leopard. Because the impala is the most herbivore in the savanna, it faces numerous threats from carnivores. This herd of impala has already become the lion pack's target. When the impalas discover the lions, they run away, but there was still the unfortunate one who had been captured by the lion pack. The horns of the impala become useless when being surrounded. The lion pack enjoyed a delicious meal today. This is a hunting trip by the lion pack. They aim at the two impalas grazing grass. As a result of this hunt, an impala fled, but the lion pack still had a delicious meal. Because this impala is being pursued by the wild dogs, running towards the water is a good option for evading the wild dogs. Because wild dogs are unfamiliar with the water environment, they frequently do not follow the prey down the water. Unfortunately, this impala was trapped in the swamp, and given its size, it would be difficult for it to escape on its own. Originally, the wild dog pack sees the trapped antelope, but they do not dare jump down. At last, they still decide to bet on it. With their small size, the wild dogs easily approach the antelope without being eaten. The antelope now can't flee at all. This male lion is the leader of the lion pack. They determine the place where the impalas often gather to graze. They discovered a large number of antelopes. After a moment of crossing the stream to look for them, the hunting trip officially begins now. They rush to attack and let go of the young to maintain the food source. The leading male lions only follow to protect the herd. The real hunters are lionesses. Finally, an unfortunate antelope was bitten and turned into dinner for the lions. Impalas are constantly threatened by predators such as lions, jaguars, wild dogs, hyenas, and others. Antelopes frequently change their direction while being pursued, which causes great trouble for the predators. Today's video will end here. If you find it interesting, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Bye, thank you, and see you soon in the upcoming videos.